Where shall we go for our holiday this year, Elsie?
I don't know, Fred.
What about the seaside?
No, I hate swimming, you know that.
You don't have to swim. You can go walking.
I hate walking.
You used to love walking.
Well, I don't like walking anymore.
What about going to the south of France?
That's too far.
Too far?
Yes, it takes too long to get there.
But we could fly.
I hate flying.
You have never told me that. You have never tried it.
Tried it. I know I'd hate it.
Your sister didn't hate it.
So what?
Well, your sister always hated flying. Well, your sister always said he hated flying.
She'd hate flying. She'd hate.
She'd hate flying. She'd hate flying.
I know.
And then she enjoyed it.
And then, perhaps she did, but I'd hate it.
But I was going to the mountain.
To the mountains. Mountains.
What about going to the mountains?
Mountains. What for?
Well, we could go climbing up there.
What do you think I am? A goat?
No, but you used to love climbing about into the mountains.
Well, not anymore. I can't bear climbing.
You can't bear climbing?
No, not now. I'm frightened of heights.
You used to love them.
Well, not anymore.
What about going to stay with my mother?
No, thanks.
Why not? You used to like going to see her.
I can't stand listening to her complaints.
Complaints?
Yes, she's always complaining.
But you used to love listening to her.
Well, I can't stand listening to her. Not anymore.
But staying here. Yeah.
Staying here?
Yes, if you don't want to go anywhere, what about staying here?
What do you mean? Do you think I like sitting in this room all day long?
Well,
Do you think I enjoy looking at you all day long?
well,
Do you think I enjoy watching you eat your breakfast day in, day out?
well,
Do you think I enjoy listening to you singing in your bath?
well,
I hate sitting in this room. I hate looking at you all day long.
well,
I can't bear watching you eat your breakfast. I can't stand listening to you singing in your bath.
Elsie,
Yes.
come and have a look at this.
What?
Come and have a look through the window.
What? What is it?
The husband pushes the way out of the window.
The husband pushes the wife out of the window. فوصلنا إلى نهاية هذا الحوار بين الزوجين، وللأسف فنهاية هذا الحوار كانت مأساوية. لم تعجبني نهاية هذا الحوار، ولكن المغزى من هذا الحوار هو تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية وتحسين مهارة النطق. لا شك أنكم لاحظتم الأخطاء التي قام بها المتعلم وضيفي الذي كان معي في هذا الحوار. يمكنكم الاستفادة منها وتجنبها لتطوير مستوى نطقكم في اللغة الإنجليزية. وصلنا إلى نهاية الفيديو. شكرا على المتابعة، وإلى اللقاء في فيديو قادم إن شاء الله.